Let us see how you can request Meta to increase your phone number limit for your WhatsApp business account or Facebook business manager. Go to business.facebook.com/direct-support. After this, click on Ask a Question tab. Now in the topic, select Dave, account and WABA. Once you select this, you'll get the option of request type. Select the option of increase phone number limit. Select your WhatsApp business account and select the phone number and allow to share the permission to Meta to third parties. Now write the reason or title and description of the request. The most commonly approved use case is to have dedicated number for each team member or each employee. So kindly you can write something around that use case, and 20 is the most easily permissible limit. Above this, Meta might not easily approve the limit. After this, click on confirm. Now Meta should respond to your support ticket within few working days. Thank you.